Hi guys and welcome on GSM-ABC YouTube channel. In this video I will show you how to insert the SIM card in iPhone 15 Pro and Pro Max. So here is my 15 Pro Max and this is the box, and first time we need to look inside the box because we need a pin for the SIM tray. And let's search here, and this is the pin, and I will show you how to use it. Okay, and now let's look in the left side of your phone. So here we have the buttons. This is the new action button and the volume up and down button, and here we have the SIM tray, and to remove the SIM tray you need to put this pin inside the hole like this and push it. Okay, and now remove the SIM tray, and now let's look a little close at this SIM tray. Here you can put a SIM card. This is a slot for a nano SIM card, and on the other side you can put anything. So this SIM tray is only for one SIM. Okay. And now let me show you how to put the SIM card. So as I told you, this is a nano SIM card, and put it here like this. It is very easy. And now just insert the SIM tray into your iPhone, and that's all. And then just do your initial setup, choose your language and region, and if you have a pin on the SIM, just put it, and that's all. Okay, now to remove the SIM card, it is very easy. Again, put here the pin, push it, and remove the SIM tray, remove the SIM, and put it back and push it. So it is very easy. I hope this tutorial to be useful for you, and see you to the next. Have a nice day.